back to another weekly grocery haul. I'm doing this in voiceover, so the movements and audio might be slightly out of sync. Apologies for that. But yeah, let's get into the haul. Oh, before I forget, this week I filmed it again, though this time I walked instead of cycled. So if you want to see how I get all my groceries on foot here in the Netherlands, you can check out the video that's going to come out on Monday. So yeah, let's just get started with the produce. So I have some carrots for some coleslaw and to make a stock, and some celery to go in the stock as well. I'm gonna make some pork belly for a few different dishes, and the braising liquid from that pork belly is gonna be turned into a stock for some ramen. So that's why I need the carrots, the celery. You'll see the mushrooms; those are for the stock as well, and for some garnish for my ramen. And then you see some onions because I always need onions. Then I have some apples for snacking this week, and some limes because I'm gonna make some lime cilantro rice. I'm gonna make some salsas, so I need to stock up on citrus. Some cucumber to go with some shawarma, and I also need the onions for that as well. Some chilies and a pepper to go with the shawarma, and a vegan chili. I still have a red pepper in the fridge, so I didn't need that much this week. Let's see. So some tomatoes to go with the salsa, some cilantro to go in the salsa, and to make some lime cilantro rice. Twice this week, once with the chili and once with some pork belly and some salsa. And then I have some green beans. Those are going to go in one meal, and then I'm also going to have some with my ramen. So all the produce this week came to 19 euros and 60 cents. I'm a little light on the produce this week because I still have some cabbage left over. So I'm going to make some coleslaw for a couple of meals this week with the carrot and the onion and the cabbage I have left over. So then we're going to move over to the meat. So I have some shawarma for dinner tomorrow with some Turkish flatbread. And then I have some bacon lardons. I don't know when I'm going to use them yet, but they were on sale this week, so I picked those up. And I like having them on hand, especially in wintertime, because I like using them for different hearty dishes. And then I have some chicken deli meat for some sandwiches tomorrow. So meat this week came down to 9 euros and 99 cents. And then we have everything else. So Coke Zero was on sale, so I picked some of that up. And then my one bag of chips for the week, my 2 bars of chocolate. I got some Milka because I was on sale this week. One is hazelnut and one is dime. And then I'm almost out of pasta in my pantry. I have a bunch of like small amounts of different kinds of pasta, none enough for a whole meal. So I picked up some pasta just to have on hand, some whole wheat penne and some tricolor fusilli. And then you see that Turkish bread that I bought. That's going to go tomorrow with my shawarma, and some of those triangle rolls for lunch tomorrow with my chicken deli meat. And then I picked up some bao buns either for lunch today or for dinner. Yeah, that was 16 euros and 29 cents, which makes the grand total for this week 45 euros and 88 cents, or converted into US dollars, that's $47 and 12 cents. Now, if you'd like to see how I got all these groceries, like I said, that video is going to come out on Monday, and in that video, I'll show you a bunch of prices, not for the produce, because those prices depend on weight, and I'm not the one weighing it, so I don't know exactly how much each item was for the produce, but for all the non-produce items, I go into that in that video. Like I said, that will be out on Monday. And if you would like to see what I do with all the ingredients, every Sunday I post a video where I do my Sunday prep day, where I cut all my vegetables and I prepare for the week. So I cut all my vegetables, I make my stock, my pork belly, my salsa, things like that. So there's that. And since I picked up the pasta, and last week I picked up a bunch of quinoa and oat rice and things like that. I'm gonna do a pantry stock up, like decant everything into my storage containers and put that away in my pantry. If you would like me to do a video on that, I can absolutely do that. Just leave a comment, and if people would like to see that, I'll film that in the next couple of days. So Yeah, just a small haul this week. I didn't really need that much. I still have some leftovers. And yeah, if you like this, I do these videos every single Saturday, and every month I do a video where I show you how I get everything by bicycle, usually here in the Netherlands, though this time it was on foot. So if that sounds good to you, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now.